Hello my dear friends, here's Aaditya Nair, and in this video you are going to understand about types of igniters inside rocket engines and why don't igniters melt away. Let's get started, let's go.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I...
Friends, I know you would have known about or you would be thinking about why don't igniters inside rocket engines melt? Right. Here in this video, that's why only we are gonna understand the types of rocket engine igniters, because there are pretty much 2 to 3 types of igniters in rocket engines, and some are very similar to which igniters are used in your normal cars also, the spark igniters. We will get started here. Let's go. All right. Friends, igniters. First of all, we will start from the flamethrower type igniters in liquid rocket engines to one of my favorite types of igniters, the pyrotechnic igniters, and after that, rocket engine we do not use igniters, and then solid rocket motor. All right. Flamethrower type igniter. Basically, if you have seen flamethrowers, these things. Flamethrowers are basically a thing which burns a fuel and oxidizer and throws it out as flames and the exhaust. Alright, it's not very it's not like pre-burner, because pre-burner uses gases and some pre-burners use directly water, but this is different. How? See, what happens in these flamethrower type igniters, that they are used in many rocket engines, that we have a small outlet from where those gases come, and there is a spark igniter which starts that flamethrower, and then those gases, those fiery gases, get inside the combustion chamber and start the ignition of the rocket engine. But you will think, okay, it can happen, but you were saying about spark type igniters. Yes, in spark, like for example in your cars you have spark plugs, alright, but wait, what was that? Spark plugs. What spark plugs do is they have a immensely high voltages on their ends. Where I was, yes, spark plug type igniters in your cars. The spark plugs have, as I said, they produce spark plug do not produce. There is another system which produces that much volts of electricity, due to which an arc occurs between the 2 points like this, and those arcs starts the combustion. But in rocket engines it's different, because if you want to use that method in rocket engines, you would have a huge spark plug, and you have a huge arc, and if you want a huge arc, you would need larger voltages. So that's why some rocket engines use it, but not like a lot. What's happening? Alright, I don't know why my camera was falling down. Okay, let's continue. Alright, I was where? Yes, that's why is electric spark plug igniters are not used, because we need a huge voltages for that. But there are some types of igniters which are easy also and commonly used. If you know the Soviet rocket engines, Russian rocket engines, they use pyrotechnic igniters. Basically in pyrotechnic igniters, the igniters themselves blew up, and then the gases inside the combustion chamber would start burning, and then the rocket engine would start. Those type of igniters have some advantages and disadvantages. What are disadvantages? We can't use it again, no reusability, but they are less complex. Alright, then we come to a rocket engine which do not use igniters. What? Yes. Hypergolic rocket propellants or hypergolic rockets or hypergolic rocket engines do not use any igniters because, as its name suggests, the propellant means a fuel and oxidizer. Whenever mixed, they combust instantaneously, and due to that feature of the propellant, they are widely used in Indian rockets, Vikas engines, right? And in the solar motors, they have a igniter which is like we have a small rocket engine, small solar motor which will start burning by some particle igniter, and then that small rocket engine, small solar motor would start burning of a little bit larger, and then it goes till the main booster. If you have say like this, and yeah, that's pretty good. But again, reusability, and it's solar motor, again no reusability. Yes, means basically we can use only the shell, and it has space shuttle. What happened to space shuttle? We can understand. No, they are not good to reuse. All right, we have completed most of our video, and now your questions. Why do rocket engine igniters do not melt? Rocket engine igniters do not melt due to various reasons. First of all, in the flamethrower like igniters, they just allow the gases or the fire of the igniter to go inside rocket engine. The igniter is not inside the combustion chamber. It's outside the combustion chamber and starts the ignition. And then in the spark plug type igniters, they have cooling systems, or sometimes they combust or they go destructively. And in solar motors, again, it's like periodic igniters only. And then in again periodic igniters, they blew up, and hypergolic propellants, no igniters. All right, this is a pretty small video. I wanted to explain about igniters because I got someone said me that why don't igniters do not melt. All right, so yeah, I am Aaditya Aerospace, watching Aaditya Aerospace. Meet you in next video. Please subscribe, like, share, and yeah, meet you in next video. I am Aaditya Aerospace. Let's go. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.